Okay, so here I am, trekking through the jungle of Thailand. We're going up a few baby mountains, mama mountains, papa mountains, whatever they call them. And it's gonna be a crazy 3 days. I'm already exhausted and it's been only 10 minutes. I'm schwitzing like a beast over here. Oy vey. I honestly, this is going to be one hell of a crazy 3 days. Oh my God! I just stepped, oh my God! Oh my, oh!
You got that on camera.
Oh! Oh, you could have warned me! This is gonna be a fucking long 3 days. I just stepped in. Oh my God. It's only been the first 10 minutes. Kill myself. I came to Thailand, wanted to be a trooper. You know, I wanted to do something crazy. I thought this jungle trek would be up my alley. But I don't know. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know. I don't know. Here we go. Wish me good luck. I'll give you an update in an hour. See you later. I have no idea what's happening, why there are cows in the jungle. This is gonna be crazy. This is crazy. Okay, here's my group. Here they are. How the hell is this happening in the middle of the jungle? I don't know what to do. We're living in the jungle. This is day 2. Ironically enough, I need to make it number 2. We're going in the forest. I really gotta go. I've never done this before. Take a shit outside? What am I? Some kind of animal? Anyway, how did it go? Did you guys do it? Okay, wait guys, can you room me on? Can you turn me on? Can you sing me a song? Fuck, the coffee got me.
It's gonna come out. Yeah, hold that tree. Hold that one.
What?
This is the best listen. She's got music playing in the forest.
Yay! I did it. A long trek through the jungle, and here we are. Here I am walking through the rice fields, heading to Karen tribe. So here, let me show you the tribe. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna get up here. Okay, let me try to do this jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! So, I guess it goes to show you how, you know, living life where we live with air conditioning and a bed, and it just gives you more of an appreciation of what you have and how spoiled we live.
Wow, it's good.
Yeah, you look it? Ooh.
You look like a Thailand people.
There you go. That's what I was going for. Do you need help? Do the robot now.
Oh, he's trying. He's trying.
Ready? Watch this.
What?
We are away. We're riding up and through the jungle.
It doesn't matter what.
So we made it. This is where we were staying. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. Maybe we'll try a little.
Jennifer just trekked a mountain, a freaking mountain.
But obviously she's not gonna add that I was the last one. I was the last one.
Hey, but you made it. That's all that matters.
You know what? I blame it on my shin splints, but I do have shin splints. I really do. Okay. So, as you know, we did Mama Mountain yesterday. Today we're doing Papa Mountain. We're almost at the top. Okay, I'm lying. We have 2 hours left. I am exhausted, trekking up a storm. Hey, Jenna?
I am so excited to be on a raft with Jen because I know she'll be singing the entire time.
Uh-oh. I don't know if you'll still feel the same way at the end of this.
I think we can do a lot on this, baby.
Okay, here we go. Guys, I want to hear how excited you are. Where's your enthusiasm? Bamboo river, riding down the river, should be riding down the river. Yeah! Goodbye, water buffalo. Goodbye, piglets. Goodbye, chickens. And goodbye, fart. Yeah! Woo! Look at Rachel go. She's surfing that raft. Yeah, Rachel.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
1, 2, 3.
Enormous one. So floating on a bamboo boat. Life can get better than this. These were just made literally this hour. How are you guys doing over there? Show how you make those bamboo sticks. Without that, we wouldn't be able to steer. Say hi to the camera, baby. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. We're going to tip. Oh, shit. That's amazing. Oh my God, who needs Disney World when you can be on a bamboo shoe ride? There you go, that's what I like to hear. Guys, can I tell you something? Something private?
Private.
Something I'm really feeling right now, and I just want to share with you guys. I love you. I love you all very much, and this is the best group ever. I'm so happy that we're all together. One love.